Okay, children, which topic will today? Ratio and proportion, part 13. Okay. Now in this video, I'll be discussing what is unitary ratio. Okay, what is the unitary ratio? Okay, now what this is? Okay, when either side of ratio is equal to 1, it is called unitary ratio. When either side of the ratio is equal to 1, it is called unitary ratio. Unitary method in maths uses this for comparison. Unitary method in maths uses this for comparison. For example, there are 10 girls and 20 boys in a class. The ratio of girls to boys is 1 is to 2. How many boys are there? 20. How many there are 10 girls and 20 boys. Ratio of girls to boys is 1 is to 2. How? 10 girls are there, 20 boys are there. So 10 ones are, 10 twos are, will get cancelled. Why? Because there are 10 girls and 20 boys in a class. Ratio of girls to boys is 1 is to 2. Here one ratio is 1. Therefore, this is called unitary ratio. Some solved examples on unitary method. Example 1. Ron goes to a stationery shop to buy some notebooks. Where does Ram go? Goes to the stationery shop to buy some notebooks. The shopkeeper informs him that 2 notebooks would cost rupees 90. What does the shopkeeper inform Ron? He informs him that 2 notebooks would cost him rupees 90. Can you find the cost of 5 notebooks with the help of unitary method? Now, what we will do for solution? In this example, number of books correspond to unit and the cost of books corresponds to value. Let's solve it stepwise. First step. First, we will find the cost of 1 notebook. Cost of 1 notebook is total cost of books by total number of books. What is the total cost of books? 90 divided by total number of books is 2 equal to 45. Now step 2. Now we will find the cost of 5 notebooks. Cost of 5 notebooks equal to cost of 1 book into number of books. Cost of 1 book is 45 into number of books 5. 45 into 5, 225. Cost of 5 notebooks is rupees 225. Example 2. Rachel can type 540 words in half an hour. How many words Rachel can type? 540 words in half an hour. How many words will she be able to type in 20 minutes with the same efficiency? Solution. Number of words typed in half an hour, that is, half an hour means 1 hour is 60 minutes. Half an hour is 60 by 2 minutes, which is equal to 30 minutes. Equal to, in 30 minutes, he is typing 40 words. Therefore, number of words typed in 1 minute equal to 540 divided by 30, which is equal to 18. Okay. In 1 minute, how many words he is typing? 30 minutes, 540 words. 1 minute, it is 540 divided by 30, which is equal to 18. Number of words typed in 20 minutes equal to 20 into 18 is equal to 360. Therefore, Rachel can be able to type 360 words in 20 minutes. Some solved examples continued. In our daily lives, when buying items like vegetables, the seller mentions the wholesale prices. For example, suppose we buy 5 kg sugar or 100 rupees. How can we find out the price of unit kg, that is 1 kg of sugar? Given is 5 kg sugar is 100 rupees. Suppose you want to find how much does 1 kg of sugar cost. What you have to do? 5 kg sugar is 100 rupees. 1 kg sugar is 100 divided by number of amount divided by the kg of sugar, that is 5. 100 by 5, which is equal to 20 rupees. Continued examples. Question 1. Cost of 1 notebooks is rupees 300. Find the number of notebooks that can be purchased with 420 rupees. Cost of 5 notebooks, that also you have to find. Answer. It is given that cost of 10 notebooks is 300 rupees. What is the cost of 10 notebooks? 300 rupees. Find the cost of 1 notebook, that is 300 divided by 10, which is 30. Number of notebooks that can be purchased with 30 rupees is 1. Number of notebooks that can be purchased for 100 rupees 1 by 30, right? Okay. Hence, the number of notebooks that can be purchased with 420 rupees is 1 by 30. Because 1 rupee it is 1 by 30. So, notebook. So, 1 by 30 into 420, which is equal to 14 notebooks. Cost of 1 notebook is 30 rupees. Cost of 5 notebooks, 30 into 5 is 150 rupees. Okay. Suppose, now example, someone more. Suppose Ram buys a dozen. Dozen means what, children? 12. Okay, 12 is called dozen. 12 bananas for 36 rupees. Cost of 12 bananas is 36 rupees. Cost of one banana is how much? 36 rupees the cost of 12 bananas. Suppose you want to find cost of one banana. What is the rule in the unitary method? You have to do division. 36 divided by 12, which is 3 rupees. Hence, a single banana costs 3 rupees. Suppose we need to find cost of 15 bananas. This can be done as cost of 15 bananas equal to 3 rupees cost of 1 banana. Therefore, cost of 15 bananas is 3 rupees into 15 equal to 45 rupees. Cost of 15 bananas. One more example. If a car runs 44 km on 2 liters of petrol, then we can use the unitary method to find the kilometers it will cover in 1 liter of petrol. Answer. A car covers 44 kilometers in 2 liters petrol. Therefore, it covers 22 kilometers on 1 liter petrol. So, 44 divided by 2. That will give how much distance it covers in 1 liter of petrol. These are some questions you have to solve yourself, children. Okay, this is based on the previous examples I had solved. First question, what does it state? Aiden covers a distance of 10 miles in 2 hours, 30 minutes. Find a distance that will be covered by Aiden in 5 hours. So first what you have to do? You know what you have to do. I have already solved some questions, right? So just look at them and you can do these problems. Price of 5 kg of rice is rupees 350. How many kilograms of rice can you buy for? Rupees 630. Okay, third question. The total length of 6 identical iron rods is 48 units. What will be the total length of 9 such rods? Okay. Okay, children, we'll continue the next part in the next session.